Good morning, sunshine. It's Amber with Creative Journey, and I'm bringing you day 15. We are on the last day of our third week in this 20-week journey, and today we're going to be talking about rejoicing with others, celebrating our friend's success, celebrating her success. So we're going to jump right in this morning. Okay, so I'm kind of going to try a new thing today. I have done this line type stuff, but not quite in the magnitude that I'm doing it today with a two-tone. So I kind of started out to do this with my pencil just to kind of get the feel of it. I probably in hindsight wish I would have done that on a scrap sheet of paper because again, I use the pencil that, makes smudges. I don't know. But I'm kind of making these lines, but I want to make sure to leave the inside of each letter blank because I'm going to come in with something really fun and shimmery. Shimmer and glitter are like my love language or something, ladies. So I fell in love with these pens when I found them. All right, we're going to get to that in a minute. All right, so I went on and I'm just really working with some hand lettering. So mix up your hand lettering this morning. Do something you haven't done before. Are you ready for that challenge? You can do it. I firmly believe in you. Remember, you are always going to be your worst critic. So be easy on yourself. Surprise! Change of scenery. All right, I have kind of tried to move around my camera a little bit so you can get how amazing these pens really are. These are by Pentel, and no, I am not an affiliate or anything like that. I just think they're amazing. They are called Pentel Sparkle Pop Pens. And when I say that they sparkle, they sparkle. And please ignore my terrible cuts here because I know that I'm going back and forth. I'm just trying to get you a better view of how amazing these really are. If you don't have Sparkle Pops, that's okay. I literally just got these in. And you can use anything here. You can use a different color in between. I mean, there's so much you could do with like this style of hand lettering. So I'm excited to see what y'all come up with on this. It's going to be fun. I know some of y'all picked up some of those jelly rolls. Those jelly roll pens would be really cool to throw in here. And I am the most unsteady holding my camera and hand lettering at the same time. This is why I should always use a cell phone holder when doing videos because I'm probably like making some of y'all nauseous with all this movement. Okay, we're gonna move on now. Back with a much better angle. Okay, now I just want to add some accents. I want to add some stuff to this page to make it pop a little bit more. I feel like in the video it doesn't quite grasp the amazingness of this page, but the shimmer like speaks to my heart. So maybe I'll be able to grasp that in the pictures. Let's hope. I don't know. Some way I'm gonna get it where you are able to see the amazingness here. All right, so let's just add some good accents in here, decorate this page up, and then we are going to take a final look at our page. All right, we're done. And I'm going to hold my camera again in hopes that I don't make you sick. But I want you to be able to see this metallic sparkle that these pins pop off. Like, it's just, I may have a new favorite set of pens. Like, I love my markers, but when it comes to shimmer, I have to say that these 100% take the cake. Here's a couple different views of it. But today I want to praise God for friends who rejoice with me and I for them. Jealousy holds no place in these friendships, and I am extremely thankful that God brought in the right people into my life. And if you don't have that tribe that surrounds you and celebrates with you, I pray that God will lead you and guide you and direct you to the friends that are going to fix your crown when it's kind of fallen off a little bit, and will celebrate when you get that job promotion. That is so important in a friendship. All right, today our verse of the day is Romans 12:15, and that says, "Rejoice with those who rejoice." And I pray that if there is any bit of jealousy that creeps up when that friend is winning at life, I pray that you are able to put that in check, because I understand. I've been there. I've been in those places where it's like, I mean, I'm happy for them, but when is it going to be my turn? I get it. It is really easy to fall into that trap. And so today it's saying, let's stop for a minute and let's put all the jealousy aside. Let's throw that back where it belongs, which is nowhere near our life. And let's celebrate with our friends. Let's celebrate her success. So often with women, I feel like it's easy to knock each other down. And as Christians, that's not where we should be at all. So today, I encourage you to celebrate when others are winning at life. All right, ladies, I love you guys so much. Follow me on Instagram at Created Journey. Join us over on Facebook at Bible Journaling in Faith. And ladies, I will see you bright and early Monday morning. Bye.